This tutorial will show how quick and easy it is to calculate seismic forces according to NBCC 2015 using Seismic Force Calculator program. For this example, we will assume the building is located in Vancouver City Hall, BC, inside Class C. We'll start by going to the New button, then select the British Columbia option, and from the location combo box, we select Vancouver City Hall. Program will show spectral response acceleration SA for different period as per table C3. For the site class, we select option C. We will assume importance category is normal, that means importance factor IA is 1. Then we enter the total building height 12 meter, typical story height 4 meter, bottom story height 4 meter as well. Typical floor weight we assume is 2420.36 kilonewton, and roof weight is 1006.63 kilonewton. For seismic force resistance system, we select the braced frames. To define force modification factor, we select the first option, steel structures, and from the second combo box, we select moderately ductile concentrically braced frame tension compression braces. To calculate fundamental lateral period, we will select 4 options from the related combo box. For braced frame, if we have a computed fundamental period, for example, from a structural software such as ETABS or S-frame and so on, we will enter it here. We assume it, for example, 0.65, 67 seconds. Finally, we can push the run button and program calculates the seismic results. The results are fundamental period from empirical formulation, maximum allowed TA, and fundamental lateral period. In the seismic result combo box, program calculates site coefficient FT, STA, design spectral acceleration, site coefficient FA, FB, spectral acceleration and fundamental period, STA, ratio of S.2 over S5, higher mode factor NV, and RD and RO, activity related force modification factor, and overstrain related force modification factor. In the base shear force group box, program calculate minimum, maximum, and design shear force and FD as well. In distributed seismic force group box, program shows lateral seismic forces per each story. And finally, program draw design spectral graph that depicted period versus design spectral acceleration as a ratio of G. Also, a point of TA, STA is shown on the graph. To print the output result, we can push print button that will show a print dialog box. In this dialog box, we can directly print the output results or make a PDF file from the output results. This concludes this tutorial.